They say you can't create a glass effect in CapCut.
Okay, so before I continue, I want to clear something, and that is you can't make glass effect on CapCut.
But that's not true. In the next video, I'll show you how to make this insane glass effect using CapCut only. Let's jump in. First, I'm going to show you the easiest version, and I'm going to use this Apple wallpaper here. What we need to do is go to the text and add the text. Then go to the right side and hit spacebar like 10 times. The more space you hit, the wider the bracket will be. Scroll down, click on background and change the color to white. Reduce the opacity to 45% and round the corners to 30. Now right-click on the text, create a compound clip, go to video and make it bigger. Then go to mask, add mask, choose rectangle and adjust it around your rectangle. Round your corners to 30 and then click on reverse icon. Now we need to set the feather to 25, and if you look it now, we get a nice rectangle with a glass effect. We can also animate it with a slide up effect. Now let me show you a more professional version. Let's go back and delete this first one. Go up to stickers, and if you close down the stickers tab, you will see that you now have the shapes option. Choose the first one and you'll see that we now have a rectangle which is filled with the color, which is great. Go to the right side and change the color to white. Then reduce the opacity to 30% and go up to size. Let's put it in 540 for the width and 450 for the height. Now we need to round the corners. Click on the corner radius and set it to 20. Then go up a little where you see stroke, another great feature which makes a lot of difference. Click on it, leave the color like it is and reduce the thickness of the stroke down to just 1. And as you can see, we already got a professional looking rectangle with a glass effect and a nice stroke around it. But we are not finished yet. We want to make it even better. So right click and make a compound clip. Go up to mask, add mask and select split. Rotate it to around 40 degrees, like that. Set the feather to around 55 and place the line where it feels like it. Make another compound clip as we will add another mask. Again, choose split, but now rotate it to the opposite side. Move it up, set the feather to 55 again, and make a last compound clip. Do you see how better that looks now? Well, if you want to use this glass effect rectangle in another video, it's not a problem. I'm just gonna use my random clip here and move the glass effect rectangle above it. I will move it to the left side like this and attach animation to it. This might be a bold. Let's turn the volume off because we don't need it here. That looks very cool already, but let's make it even better. I'm gonna use this clip again because I want to insert inside of a rectangle. I will make it smaller and adjust it to the rectangle. I will add a mask so we can round the corners like our glass effect rectangle. Here we go. Create a compound clip. Now move the clip to the beginning. Or a bit ahead so we get a little delay. Set the same slide up animation for this clip as for the glass effect rectangle. Good. Now we will add a text. We will use this text as a YouTube title. How to make glass effect in CapCut. And I will use a Roboto black font for this. And the second text we will use for views count. And for this I will use Open Sans font. Select both text, make a compound clip and move them to this position. And like on glass effect and the clip, set the slide up effect to the text also. Now select the video clip, make another compound clip, go up to video, add a mask, choose split and set the feather to the lower part of that clip so we get a nice gradient. And if we play it now, we have a nice professional looking glass effect animation. Hope you liked that video, and if you did, hit that like button, subscribe and let me know if you want more videos like this. See you in the next one.